In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a customer account login icon to your Shopify store. This small feature can make a big difference in your store's user experience by helping returning customers log in quickly and easily. It's simple to set up, but it adds a more professional and user-friendly touch to your online shop. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section is where you can manage many important aspects of your store. Next, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. From the list of options, select Customer Accounts. This area controls how customers interact with their accounts and is especially important for stores that rely on repeat customers. On the Customer Accounts page, find the option labeled Show Sign-in Links. When you enable this setting, Shopify will automatically add a customer profile or login icon to your store's header. This gives customers a clear and convenient way to sign in or create an account. Having this icon visible at the top of your store makes life much easier for returning customers. Instead of searching around for a login page, they can access their account instantly with just one click. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your store more streamlined, professional, and user-friendly. This small change can have a big impact on customer satisfaction. Watching this tutorial on how to add a customer account login icon to your Shopify store. Tutorial on how to add a customer account login icon to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tutorials. Don't forget to feel free to leave your questions or feedback in the comments below. Feel free to leave your questions or feedback in the comments below. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next video.